Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how to create sales automation in HubSpot CRM step by step, helping sales teams work faster and close more deals in 2026. Let's get started. Sales automation in HubSpot allows you to automate repetitive tasks, manage leads efficiently, and maintain consistent follow-ups. This saves time and lets your sales team focus on closing deals. First, log in to your HubSpot account. From the top menu, go to Automation, Workflows. Click Create Workflow and choose a deal-based or contact-based workflow depending on your sales process. Deal-based workflows are ideal for automating actions based on deal stages. Next, set your enrollment triggers. You can trigger automation when a deal enters a specific stage, a lead score reaches a certain value, or a contact submits a form. Now add automated actions. Common sales automation actions include assigning deals to sales reps, creating follow-up tasks, updating deal stages, and sending internal notifications. You can also automate follow-up emails, create personalized sales emails, and schedule them to send automatically after meetings, demos, or proposals. Use delays to control timing. For example, wait 2 days after a proposal is sent before creating a follow-up task or sending a reminder email. Add if then branches for advanced automation. If a prospect responds or books a meeting, move the deal forward. If there is no response, trigger a reminder or another follow-up email. Integrate lead scoring with automation. Automatically prioritize high-scoring leads and assign them to senior sales reps. Before activating, test the workflow to ensure everything runs smoothly. Once ready, turn it on and let HubSpot manage the process automatically. Track results using reports and dashboards. Monitor deal progress, response times, and conversion rates to optimize your automation. In summary, creating sales automation in HubSpot CRM helps you save time, stay organized, and increase sales productivity. By using workflows, triggers, automated emails, tasks, and reporting, you can build a scalable sales process in 2026.